Making money from news shocks. The U.S. employment index came out on Friday and we saw some huge 100-point price spikes. Wouldn't it be nice to make money from these instead of losing money, getting caught with slippage? We're sitting on the sidelines and watching others make money. Let me show you how it's done. So the news comes out, and we'll take any pair here. The news comes out, and you see that initially in the first minute, there's a spike of about 40 points. And then by the end of the second minute, things have settled down. There's your chance to enter the trade. Your stop loss is below the low of where the move started. And potentially within just a few minutes, there's 50, and a few minutes later, 100 points in the trade. And you can see a similar pattern across all the key pairs here. A huge potential here. And your risk is limited to wherever the move got started in relation to where it was at the end of the second minute. Now, a second way to trade this is a little later on, when the move appears to be running out of steam, is to trade the retracement, trade it on the way back down. So for example, in pound dollar pair here, when the price gets back below the moving average line, sell it and put the stop above the highest it made during that move, the price spike high. So here's an example of all 6 pairs. So here in the euro dollar, for example, you'd be risking 35 points, putting your stop above the high here, about 35 points of risk. And of course, you're looking for this to come back down. Same here or here or here. In these pairs, you're looking for it to go back up. And you're risking to whatever the low was. This one here is a little bit more risk. It's more in the area of 50 points. This one here is only 20 points, depending on the pair. Depending on this pair, went very sideways. This pair actually already started a significant retracement by the time it hit its moving average line. Here's what they look like by the end of the day. So we had looked at the 20-point risk on the pound, and you can see at one point it was down here. Let's take a look at what these numbers would look like. So there was about a 60-point trade. Over here it was a 100-point trade. Over here it was a 100-plus point trade. So the point is, there's money to be made on the way up and on the way down on these news events. We don't need to be afraid of them. That's about it, guys. Jimmy Young signing off. Bye-bye.